Hey everybody, David the AI Guide here. Welcome to another episode. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, as well as here at our home on YouTube. Thanks a lot for subscribing, liking, and sharing. And click the link below. Get your free AI resource. You can learn more than we can teach you in these relatively short videos of 10 minutes, and especially more than we can teach you in our breaking news shorts that we do occasionally that are a minute or less. You need to know about AI to be able to cope with the change coming. See the last two videos just posted on that subject. So today we're going to follow up on something very interesting that we talked about before, at least twice. So I have talked in two prior videos. One video was about what I'm about to say, the other referred to it, but that is Toyota developing a home robot. Well, now Hyundai, the Korean car maker, is jumping into it, called the Mobile Eccentric Droid. Mobile Eccentric Droid. It can maneuver indoors and outdoors on different terrain and has a speed of up to 18 miles an hour and can steer and brake on its own. How does it do that? AI. Soon a personal robot could be at your beck and call to carry groceries, haul package deliveries, and even take the baby for a walk. As car maker Hyundai revealed the company's first small mobility platform using robot technologies. They created the platform which can maneuver all sorts of environments and go up to 18 miles an hour, the speed of an average electric scooter. This mobile eccentric droid is 26 inches long, so a little over 2 feet in US terms, 23 inches wide, and it weighs about 110 pounds. The platform is attached to 4 large wheels that have independent suspension, giving it stability on inclines and uneven roads. The wheels are also equipped with eccentric wheel drive, which gives them steering, braking, and attitude control indoors and outdoors. And there is a video. You can go to Hyundai.com, HYUNDAI.com, and look at the video promoting their droid. What does this mean? Hyundai says the uses are limitless, infinite possibilities. So this goes to say that another car company is jumping into this space. And we talked about this before, and the second time I referred to Toyota's efforts. But you got to ask yourself, why would a car company be doing this, right? I asked myself that question. I thought about it for quite a while before I started to get to an answer. Because the less you have to do at home, the more you're in your car. The more you are using your car, the more sooner you'll have to get another car. They are trying to increase the cycle of buying a car. Shorten the cycle. So let's say the average American gets a new car every 3 years. I don't know if that's the number or not. They're trying to make it 2.5 because the higher use will wear your car out faster, and so you'll trade it in faster. And leases, by the way, are getting shorter in some cases. So this is very, very interesting. We're going to see efforts at using AI-driven robots to make home life easier so that you spend less time at home doing chores and errands, right? Because kids keep you busy, and then on top of that, you got all your housework, and this is all after your job all day or night, depending on what your work schedule is. So more free time directly translates into spending more money, part of that on car. So that is why car companies are jumping on this. I, for one, as I have said, am very much looking forward to it, because while I do not mind doing a lot of the household chores at all. I sure would like a robot to clean up the pots and pans after dinner. Man, that would be great. Because that is not something I enjoy, and I'm sure each of you has a similar chore, a chore that you feel similarly about, that you would rather not do, whatever it is. Taking out the trash, this robot can do that, by the way. If it can take the baby for a walk, it can sure as heck take the trash out. So very cool stuff. Very, very automated future coming. Again, by 2030, all of this stuff will be fully commercialized and in many homes, driving the price down, making it cheaper, making more and more people have it. Just like when flat panel TVs or the iPhone first came out and revolutionized the marketplace, these robots will change the world. And it could not happen without AI. AI makes them smart instead of dumb robots. Dumb robots are dangerous. So if you want to read more about robotics, get my book on Amazon, The Beginner's Guide to AI. Link below. There's a whole chapter on robots specifically and the many different uses of AI-driven robots today. And also there's a little bit of the history of where the first industrial robot came from. It came from Danbury, Connecticut, to be precise. Click the link below, get my book, The Beginner's Guide to AI. It's a great short read. Read the whole book in 3 hours and know much more about AI and how it's impacting many different industries. And click the link below, get the free resource, learn more about AI that way, and or you will be given the opportunity to join a beta group to upskill and change your career, make far more money, and be much more AI safe in your career than you currently are. Because the impact to careers by AI is going to be widespread. It's not going to just be manual labor jobs or driving jobs. No, it's going to hit everything. Just as an example, the legal profession. No person will be writing a legal contract in 10 years. Why? Because an AI-driven system can draft a contract way faster, way better than any human can already, and in 10 years we'll be able to do it multiples better than a human can. So that's a very, very white-collar industry. Legal profession is going to get hit heavy by AI. Same with medicine, certain things in medicine. Wait till you're at the doctor and the robot comes in to check your blood pressure and take your temperature. That's coming within less than 5 years. So anyway, this is why you need to click these links below and prepare yourself. Thanks so much. Take care. Talk to you next time.